Say something, say something.
Hi.
Hey.
What up, what up, what up? DroneGuyTT here, we in Tobago, and all you know this place.
Yeah, boy. I had Drone Guy Lima with me here, boy. Today's a kite surfing day, though.
Yeah, you know, they're now finished here, so you will see a little clip of that just now.
Yeah.
So, we here for today. We're gonna go all over Tobago, all kind of things, you know, like get some bike ride, anything. Anything is everything.
Time to go and fly. I now fly there on the water. I'm going and fly some FPV now.
Alright, so where we going today?
We're going up by the boardwalk, boy. That boardwalk rail sick is a secret.
Secret boardwalk. Alright, so we talking about wells, well.
Yeah, but I know else what you want to do.
Alright. Food. Alright, we gotta get food.
Roti. Curry.
Good food. Anything. What's it good?
Curry in Tobago, I never tried that.
Yeah, boy, Tobago curry that tastes like curry, like crab.
Like crab?
Yeah.
Talking about a crab and dumpling? Nice, yeah. Crab and dumpling. So you know the plan. Food, flights and fun.
Tobago food, but after we eat, you ain't gonna be able to fly.
Now, well, food, alright, so we gotta get the food, but to eat on the way because you never know we can
You'll get lethargic and just lie down and sleep now.
You know, let's call that the ice. We
But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the piña, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You are peace in the dead of night.
Alright,
Yeah,
so,
boy.
where you is right now?
On the boardwalk.
The boardwalk.
Yeah, I bring this man to fly the boardwalk because I tried it the other day and
Pressure.
my fingers shaking.
Well, if the adrenaline high, you're not really flying, you know?
Yeah.
So
It's tight.
It's tight. Boy, you can try with that 7-inch. Imagine that.
Yeah, boy, a 7-inch. So you can see.
That is why we need DJI. That is our plug.
DJI.
Sending for me.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, so you can try there.
No multi-pathing with your DJI, boy.
Right, if you ain't seen no videos after this, you know when down the drone went in the water, alright?
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were.
So, yeah, we going that waterfall. What's the name of the waterfall?
Highlands.
Highlands
Going up to the
waterfall.
Highlands, the Scottish Highlands.
He said it was a walk, you know, but we're going uphill, so anything uphill is a hike. So
we used to drive up to the top of here, but some idiots doing a gated community development on the top of the hill, clear cut the land and build their box drains and everything, and all the land run down onto the road here.
Yeah.
And just mash up the road, boy, so you can't drive any further.
Oh.
There's big trenches in the road there. It's terrible.
So here we're going on, right? He said the walk is about 45 minutes. So if you ain't seen no footage, know that we didn't make the walk.
If a waterfall dive gap, I want the man to do. The man said leave it for him. Leave it for him, eh?
Leave it for him, who is him, mate? Alright, so we could in cow, all kind of things. Yeah. You like to bounce up a little baby cow.
That I did here with Anela Rajkumar, the woman who wrote Waterfalls of Paradise.
Nah, can't remember.
It's a book featuring all the waterfalls of Trinidad and Tobago.
Right.
And I was the guide in Tobago. I took us to all the spots in Tobago.
Oh, this waterfall nice. But yeah, but if you dive, I don't understand what you mean.
You have to come through there.
Yeah.
After the dive. You understand?
Yeah.
So after the dive, I'm now. Yeah. You would knock me out the air.
Yeah.
Your video, yeah.
So yeah, what's going on? We finally reached the destination. There's the river here. Alright. Any tips?
That's the gap, Just don't crash in the water.
Besides that.
Besides that, boy, just have fun. Let me go and set up.
Let me go and set up, yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. Alright, people. So now we're gonna do our seance. EVP session, sorry.
You have the craziest acoustics down here that you've ever heard in your life.
Cuckoo!
Yeah, reach down here. Let me reach down the door. The echo chamber.
Woo! Cuckoo!
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.